Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Visit Info, and today let's discuss how to block someone on X without them knowing. So actually X doesn't send a notification to someone when you block them, but if they go to your profile, they will see a line that says you are blocked. So unfortunately there is no 100% secret blocking. So let me show you how to block someone on X. Basically you have to open whatever account that you want to block. So let's go to their profile, and now in the top left corner, or in the top right corner, sorry, of your screen, you have to tap three-dot button and find a function that says block this user. Tap it and of course confirm your decision that you really want to block this user by tapping block button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.